please rise up for the prayer.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim Maliki Yawmiddin Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in ihdinas siratal mustaqim siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin amin. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanatan wa fil akhirati hasanatan wa qina adzabannar. Allahumma ij'alna minat tawwabin wa ij'alna minal mutatahhirin. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik.
Remain standing for the singing of the national anthem.
Upang hinirang ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Bayang magiliw, handa awit. Bayang magiliw, presisihan, alam puso sa limuhan, lupang hinirang nagtanang mabitin, sa manuluhin, di masisi, sa dalag sa simula, sa langit puro, may lalula at awit sa paglalinamahan, ang sarang walawat mo'y nagumpay na nagpilinig, ang minuin at araw niyang ganyang panay na nininig, nagpalangaw, wala ipagsubo, wala sa piling mo, ang nilaya na wala ang magalang bahing sa'yo.
May I request our Honorable Secretary to do the roll call for the attendance for this session.
Barangay Chairwoman Honorable Shirley Tuso. Barangay Council Honorable Shirley Sampari. Honorable Marina Salvador. Honorable Anita Sali. Honorable Carissa Bertuso. Honorable Resmin Nasabi. Honorable Robert Mali. Madam Chairwoman, there is no absent for today's session.
Since there is no absent today, I declare that this session is called. Once again, may I request our Honorable Secretary to read the news.
Today, December 2, 2023, the meeting is called to order in forum at 9 a.m. to 11 in the morning by the Honorable Madam Chairwoman Shirley Tuso. The agenda for this meeting is about conducting a curfew for minors in the barangay Shigaraw.
Does anyone has motion of conversion for minors? Yes, we are recognized Honorable Dan Ray. It has been approved and seconded that we should make a barangay curfew for minors as a part of our ordinance and community. Is there any discussion? You are recognized Honorable Sampari. For we have curfew for minors under 18 years old because our community our young people doing the behaviors such drinking, drugs, promiscuity, and violence. At 10 p.m. to 5 p.m. a student hall is clear studying. Is there any further discussion? Madam Chairwoman, you are recognized Honorable Salvador. I agree because there is no good reason for minors to be out accompanying late at night so a curfew is not really restricted upon their liberty. They will be better off at home doing schoolwork and interacting with the rest of their families.
Madam Chairwoman,
You are recognized Honorable Masabi. Honorable Nasalo suggested to approve the proposal of having a barangay curfew for minors. Is there any further discussion? It seems none. So now we are going to vote. All those in favor, please raise your hand. And for those who are not in favor, please raise your hands. For those in favor, please raise your hands. For those who are not in favor, please raise your hands. Motion carries. The approval of having barangay caretaker minors to be part of our ordinance in our community. You are recognized, Honorable Clarissa. I move to amend to add penalties for those violators. First offense, a warning. Second offense, to clean the trash on the playground. And the third offense, day parents will pay 200 pesos per violators except for personal matters. You are recognized, Honorable Madam. Honorable Marie suggested to disapprove the amendment to add penalties for the violators. Is there any discussion? It seems none. So now we are going to vote. For those in favor, please raise your hands. And for those who are not in favor, please raise your hands. For those in favor, please raise your hands. For those who are not in favor, please raise your hands. Motion carries. The amendment have been approved to have penalty for those violators. Is there any further discussion? Since none, does anyone who like to adjourn the session?
Second motion.
Be down slowly, a little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly, let me down. Could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me.
Nang saluma kami. Ang nagtotoo sa akin, ano, order ng barangay.